What's up, everyone? Today, one of my favorites, a variation on the classic tiki cocktail Planter's Punch by Smuggler's Cove. And boy, this is boozy. This one's gonna get you guys 3 ounces of your favorite Jamaican rum. I prefer Appleton Signature. And that's right, you guessed it, 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. Every tiki drink's gotta have that lime juice. 3/4 of an ounce of demerara simple syrup. Make this at home, guys, if you can. It's super easy. 1/4 of an ounce of allspice dram. This is also known as pimento dram if you guys are looking for this in the store. There's a couple variations out there for you. And then finally, 2 dashes of Angostura Bitters. Man, this is great for parties, guys. Solo drinking, man. Take it to work. Have a tiki party at work. This is gonna drive everybody nuts. All right, add crushed ice to a highball glass. Pour that cocktail in there. And then finally, slap some mint, throw that in there, and you've got one of my personal favorites, a Planter's Punch variation by Smuggler's Cove.